Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's me, Candy, and today this is going to be Valentine's Day look number 3 or 4. It's on the list. I have a whole bunch of them, so I hope you guys like it. Look, if you do, then go ahead and stay tuned to see how I recreated this look. If you haven't already, go ahead and subscribe to my channel, and I will put it here, there, for one of them. And then also, if you would like to check out any of my previous videos, whether it be my bronze and teal look, I'll link that right there. Or it could also be my favorites, or it could also be get to know me tag. You should click on one of those and get to know me a little bit better if you haven't already. So I'm gonna stop rambling on now and let's get to this video. Okay guys, so don't mind my dancing. I was kind of feeling myself today because it's a very special day. Well, but you'll find out why at the end of the video. So let's just jump right in. We are going to go in with my favorite Morphe palette, and this is in the palette 35W. And I'm going to be using mostly the nice tones that you've seen me use before, but I'm going to do a lot of layering today. So I'm going to go ahead and place the first shade here right above my crease and just blend that out. Now with the more darker tone, we're going to go right in the crease and then blend that out as well. Now to add the shimmer, we're going to go in with this nice bronzy tone, and we're going to place that directly on the lid. And then we're going to get the next kind of like orangey nude tone there. We're going to place that directly on top of that. And then there was this lighter shade, and I put that directly on top of that. And then once that has been placed on, I just blended out in the crease with my finger. And then to smooth out that line, I went back in with that same brush and just blended out the lines. Now to add a little bit of depth, I wanted to place just a little bit of black in the outer corner of my eye and then blend that up to the crease. And to add more sparkle, we're going to be using Natasha Denonna's palette here, and I'm going to use this nice shimmery shade. I'm going to place that directly on top of that. So let's go ahead and move forward to the face. We're going to be using the Peter Thomas Roth primer, and I really like this primer because it's a nice silicone base. It's like, and then we're going to go in with the foundation. You already know it's the MAC Cosmetics Match Master number 7, and my poor little NYX Cosmetics is out. Like, I'm super sad, but we're going to be using the majority of whatever's left in. I kind of just dumped it on my glass table that I have, and then I placed it around my face. And then in my next video, you'll see that my brush broke, you guys, and I really wanted to use it to blend out that foundation there. So I just used that, and then I was like, we're gonna use something else. We're gonna use my e.l.f. Cosmetics blending foundation brush. We're gonna use that to finish off the face. Now to go ahead and conceal and highlight, we're gonna use the NARS concealer, and this is in the shade, I think it's a Monday. I have no idea. I'm bad with names, guys. Sorry. And you already know the next one too. This is Black Up Contour Stick. And we're going to place that on. And then voila. That is done. Blended it out. Let's now go ahead and finish off with the face, and we're going to be using the Black Radiance finishing powder in the shade Chocolate or Milk Chocolate. Now that that's set, we're going to go in with the blush, and I'm just using the BH Cosmetics Dual Blush Kit. And now to add some highlight, darling, we are going to go in with the Anastasia Beverly Hills Glow Kit in the shade Hot Sand. And then we're going to blend out the lines there, make sure everything is all cohesive. and then add more shimmer to my nose. Now to add the pink, we can't forget about the pink, y'all. Natasha palette, and we're going to take both the fuchsia pink and then the more darker tone pink. We're going to blend those both out at my lower lash line. Bam! Look at that sucker. So you already know what pencil I'm using. This is the NYX pencil in black, and this time we are going to be using a different mascara. This is e.l.f. Cosmetics, and this is their Volume Pump. And then we're going to go back in with that palette from Natasha and take this shade here. Okay guys, so for the lip pencil, we're going to be using the MAC Cosmetics lip pencil, and this is in the shade Chestnut. Now we're going to go in with the Jeffree Stars Cosmetics, and this is in the shade Scorpio. Now we're going to let that dry because I want to add something else. I mean, you could leave this be, but I want some gloss, y'all. So I'm going to really wait for this to dry, hence the selfies. Make sure the brows are on point. Touch-ups if I needed it. Okay, so now to give the lips that gloss, we're going to go in with the Kylie Cosmetics. And this is from their Coco. And this is the shade Damn Gina. And that is the final look, you guys. I hope you guys like it. I'm gonna stop rambling on, and now let's get back to the video. Alright guys, well that is the video. Thank you so much for staying tuned and seeing me how I recreated this look. I try to incorporate it to be a little bit more like a natural, more me pink instead of like the bold pinks that I've done in the past. So let me know what you guys think. I think this is kind of like a more like tone-ish down one. But obviously, you know me, I like to go over the top and like to be bold with my color and with my lips or my eyes, and I'm just trying to make sure that I incorporate looks that are more natural and not so like bam, I got fucking color on. So hope you guys like it. Today is a very special day. It's my son's birthday. My little man is 9 today, and we are going to surprise him with balloons and cupcakes at school. If you liked it, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. And if you haven't already and you watched the entire video, then you might as well become part of my fam. So go ahead and click that subscribe button. It should be here, there. Click on it. Go ahead and click on it. Thank you so much for watching. I do appreciate the love and support. You guys are amazing. I really do like the groups that I'm in Facebook. I'm meeting a whole bunch of new YouTubers and meeting people who love the same thing that I do, which is makeup. So it's amazing to meet you guys. Thank you so much for checking out my channel and leaving out those awesome comments. I really do love and appreciate it. And I'm gonna stop rambling on since I usually do that a lot. So bye guys. Thank you so much for watching this look, and you have a fantastic day. Stay beautiful, feel beautiful, be beautiful. Love you guys. Bye.